In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to claim your YouTube official artist channel using DistroKid. First, make sure you have at least one release live on YouTube Music through DistroKid and that your artist name matches your YouTube channel exactly. Your YouTube channel should be public, represent only one artist or band, and include a profile picture, banner, and at least one public video. Next, log into your DistroKid account, go to the Special Access, and select YouTube Official Artist Channel. Choose your artist name, enter your YouTube channel URL, and submit a request. DistroKid will send your application to YouTube for review. Once approved, your topic channel will be merged with your main channel and you will receive the official artist channel music note badge, and your music, videos, subscribers, and artist features will all be combined into one place. Approval may take a few days to several weeks, so be patient while YouTube reviews your request. That's it. This way you can easily claim your YouTube official artist channel using DistroKid. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.